full reaction mechanism would be the following. We're going to start with this compound with a double bond that is going to interact with the chlorine atom over here as it is drawn. So we have a set of pair of electrons, and the first step is going to be the attack from the double bond towards the bromine atom, towards the chlorine atom, and then, just to emphasize, this is from the double bond, and then one pair of electrons is going to go ahead and attack the other carbon atom. When this is happening, what we're going to get is that the pair of electrons on the chlorine atom bonds is going to go towards the Cl over here. So the resulting species are going to be, as mentioned in your